Hi, I'm Millie and today I'm so excited to bring you the highly anticipated review of the latest addition to Nikon's esteemed lineup of cameras, the Nikon Z8. A lot of users are referring to this camera as the baby Z9, with virtually the same specs but lighter both physically and on your wallet. My background is lifestyle and family photography and I usually shoot on Canon, so being able to try some new gear out was very exciting. I got to take this camera out for a test run over the weekend and it's safe to say I am impressed. The Z8 has a 45.7 megapixel sensor along with 8K ultra high def recording. Some other key selling points is the real live viewfinder, the 3.2-inch LCD screen and built-in VR stabilization. I feel like this camera appeals to a much broader range of creatives, unlike the Z9 which was aiming mostly for a select few professionals that prioritised a battery grip and advanced weather sealing. I'd say this camera would be well suited to the professional consumers who typically shoot the likes of wedding, sports, wildlife and lifestyle. Although if budget permits, I don't see why an amateur wouldn't be able to pick this up as well. In the box you'll find instruction manuals and warranty paperwork. A shoulder strap, a USB-C cable, a charger, and a power supply. Two cable clips for better cable management, and a battery. And here we have the camera body. It feels surprisingly lightweight, weighing in at just 940 grams, so it's very manageable. The 3.2-inch horizontal and vertical tilting touch-sensitive LCD screen is bright and easy to see from sunrise to sunset. It would have been even better if the screen was fully articulated, but that's a minor gripe. One of the main things I was impressed by with this camera was its ease of use. I picked it up out of the box, clipped on a lens, inserted the battery and SD card, and I was good to go. I was shooting animals and nature, and this camera was so easy to carry around with me for a couple of hours at a time. It sits just right in your hand with the shutter release in the perfect spot, and it is so lightweight. Coming from a photography background, I was a little hesitant with using the video side of things, although this was surprisingly easy to figure out as well. The switch near the shutter release made it very smooth to transition from photo to video, and it also keeps the same settings you were using previously, which saves a lot of time when shooting in the field. The video capabilities of the Z8 are nothing short of impressive, recording at 8.3K 60p or 4K 60p ProRes in either 8-bit or 10-bit colour to match your needs. I did notice that the autofocus struggled a bit with faster moving subjects, requiring occasional readjustments. That being said though, it performed flawlessly with all other subjects. Overall, I had so much fun using this camera. It's a really great camera and I'm so happy with it. So if you want to get your hands on one yourself, head over to our website for more.